Have you ever thought you could earn money by just typing names? Yes, you heard it right. Typing names could be your golden ticket to financial freedom. It might sound too good to be true, but stay with me as I unravel the process of how you can turn those keystrokes into cash. Imagine sitting comfortably in your home, typing away on your laptop, and making money. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's a reality for many people around the globe, and you could be one of them. So how does this work? The journey starts with a website, a platform that connects businesses with creative minds like yours. Websites such as Squad Help, Naming Force, or Crowdspring are great places to begin. These websites host contests where businesses seek unique, catchy names for their new products, services, or even the company itself. Step 1 in this exciting journey is to sign up on these platforms. They are easy to navigate, and signing up is usually free. Once you register, you're ready to dive into the world of naming contests. Step 2 involves browsing through the numerous contests available. Each contest has a brief that gives you an idea of what the company is looking for. It could be a name for a new tech gadget, a trendy fashion line, or a groundbreaking service. Your job is to come up with a name that fits the brief and stands out from the crowd. Step 3 is where you let your creativity shine. You brainstorm, you play with words, you come up with a unique name that resonates with the brief. Once you have a name you're confident about, you submit it. Now comes the exciting part, step 4, the wait. If your name is chosen, you win the contest and the prize money is yours. The amount can vary from $50 to even $1,000 depending on the contest. And there you have it, 4 simple steps to earning money by typing names online. Sign up, browse contests, brainstorm and submit, and then wait for your potential win. Remember, the key to success in this venture is creativity and persistence. Not every name you submit will be a winner, and that's okay. The more you participate, the better you get, the higher your chances of winning. In summary, earning money by typing names online is a real and viable option. It's a journey that starts with signing up on a platform, browsing through contests, letting your creativity run wild, and then waiting for the results. It's a process that can be both fun and financially rewarding, so why not give it a try? Turn those keystrokes into cash and let your creativity pay your bills. The world of naming contests is waiting for you.